Our first find today. We're about 6-7 inches into the ground. That's a pretty old railroad tie. Yeah, there was some dirt over it. Son found it. We're down here at the old railroad depot. Clyde, any gold yet? On to our next hole. Nikolai, you gotta put that in there nice. Okay? You gotta make it look like we didn't even dig anything out of there. Not bad. Pretty good. I'm over here digging another one. Nikolai is trying to find this one that we dug up. Hopefully find some coins in here. Careful with the grass, don't tear up the grass. You gotta leave 2 inches, at least. You're almost there. Using the railroad spike that we found. Our first treasure. Careful, you don't want to damage it too. If it is something good, you know, you don't want to stab it. Oh, look, there it is. What is that? No, look, in your hole. Oh, it's an old pop tap. Let me see. Open your hand. Show her his old pop tap. Nice find, Nikolai. Pretty neat. Let's get this one cleaned up. Hole back in there. And on to the next one.
No, we did find.
Shut your battery off so you, yeah. So now you save your battery. Alright, let's get this big old hunk back in there. I'll give you a hand. I think we might have silver, sir. Check in your hole first. Check over here and check in there.
Nothing here. Let me check the big cloud.
Check it. Easy, easy. First, look. First, you gotta check your stuff, Bubba. Oh, look. Gold coin. Come on, pull out a gold coin or you're walking home. It's in there, I think.
Yep.
Oh, is it a nail? Don't move it fast, move it slow.
I think there's down there more.
Let me see. Right there. Grab a handful of dirt and bring it up. Hold this up here, and then grab a handful of dirt. Oh, there it is. What is it? Is it in there?
It's a penny.
A penny? Let me see. What kind of penny?
I don't know.
Let's see. That looks like a quarter. That's a nickel. Heck yeah.
Let's see.
And it looks silver. Yeah, that is a nickel. Maybe not silver, but nice find. We gotta get that cleaned up for a year.
1 more year, is it going to be worth?
But how far was that? That was about 8-10 inches in the ground.
Our first good find.
Not a bad find.
Not a bad find.
Hopefully it's a silver nickel. It's a 1943. It looks. Yep, it's silver, Nikolai.
Hey, where's the money?
1943. Silver wartime nickel. Good job.
Money?
Yeah, buddy. High five.
How much money is it?
I don't know. We have to go see where the mint mark is. But let's go to our next find. Here, hold this, Nikolai. For me real quick. Don't worry about that. You gotta hold on our hole, okay? See where I'm shoving? We're gonna flip this up and we'll see what we got.
Jimmy!
Hey. Alright, Nikolai. Where's it here? Take. Nice and easy, okay? Don't want no stabbing in there all hard. Use your pinpointer. See what's in there.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that shit is so brittle right there.
Does that go? Oh, we broke it?
Well,
You think that all went together and we just broke it?
I think we're...
maybe when we dug it up, I don't know. Oh, look.
Yeah, it does go together right there. Oh, that's cool. That's an old bullet. It's gotta be 1800s.
That's gotta be the casing right there too.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
That's gotta be the casing.
Gotta be. There might be more in there.
Oh my...
That's a root.
like, oh, that's
That's a worm.
See if we can find any more in there. Heck yeah. Good job, guys. It's hard to hear anything with that train. Used to be a train depot right here. Hey, I'm gonna hold that, brother. Nick,
5 inches.
something else 5 inches? Alright. Here. Nikolai, hold that, sir.
Okay.
What's the numbers?
5. Or something like that.
There might be some more of this.
I hope it's a pistol.
Alright, heads up, Nikolai. You see it's right here, dead center?
Yeah, right here.
Right there, yeah.
There.
I was looking, Daddy. Oh, crap, I got that.
Alright, check that pile with your pinpointer. Nikolai.
Here we go.
Much trouble.
Okay.
Oh, there's another root.
I hear some beeping. Oh, no, that's it on. Is it?
It's not
That's
beeping.
a place.
Alright, watch out, Nikolai. Turn that off and let Jeremy go over it with the coil. So it's in that pile?
In that pile.
Minus 64, plus 13. Yeah, I think that's a piece of lead in there. You want to check in there again? Nikolai's messing me up with that wand. You see, sir?
So right here.
There it is.
Right there.
There's the rest of the cartridge. I knew we'd find it.
Heck yeah. That's pretty sweet, guys.
Hey, Clyde, we found the whole bullet, cartridge and all.
That's one of the original cartridges. Yeah. Old stagecoach rifle.
Prime, not the rimfire.
They all used to be all rimfire. That's the first prime cartridge.
That old is
Pretty neat. That's 1800s.
that worth some money, right?
If it was in one piece, it would have been pretty neat. Yeah, center fire. Let's see if there's anything else in there, sir.
Alright. It's off. Oh no.
Hey, you know what? I just got that, what do they call it, beginner's luck?
You gotta turn that off and get that away there, buddy.
See, it's still picking stuff up. I'm wondering if that's the line.
It says another 6 inches, but it could just be real small and be a couple inches away. It might be underneath that root there.
Where'd you put that other?
Yeah, it's over here, brother.
Huh?
Yeah. It's on this toilet. Under the toilet, maybe? Yeah, it's on the toilet.
There's still something else in there.
There's probably something on the toilet I call. He's like, Daddy, let me try this. There you go.
And in there. It might just... Today's find. We pulled up a lot of tabs. I pulled out a silver nickel and a 73 penny. This guy pulled out the whole bank.
Pocket full of change. Some wheat pennies. Might have an older nickel.
A couple modern, a couple 70s and 60s pennies. Heck yeah.
And a bunch of trash. Silver one nickel's pretty cool.